Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. For this month, I am co-hosting with the CM Creative Crew to bring you ideas on how to pack your scrapbooking supplies. Please subscribe to our channels, like, and comment on our videos. I'm getting ready to go on a scrapbooking retreat, and I wanted to show you how I organize my scrap. For this retreat, I'm hoping to finish 2 travel albums, plus I packed an extra tote with a 3rd album in case I get my first 2 projects done. I have 2 tools organizers resting on top of my rolling cart. I was able to label them. You can adjust the Velcro dividers inside the tools organizer to fit whatever you want to bring. In the back section, I have my Border Maker system, and on the left, I have 6 Border Maker cartridges that I chose to use this weekend. Next, I have my smaller custom cutting system templates, the small ovals and circles. And in the middle section, I have the larger oval and circle templates, as well as 2 tape runner dispensers and 1 repositionable tape runner dispenser. I have 12 tape refill packs. I probably won't use them all, but it's better to be safe than sorry. You'll see my 12-inch trimmer fits on top if you put it in there upside down. In my second tools organizer, you'll see I adjusted the Velcro dividers into just 3 sections. In the back, I have my smaller punches that I selected for my projects and the larger border punches I put in the front right section. On the left section, I was able to fit 2 photo boxes, which I'm using for my peekaboo pockets, both 4x6 and 5x7 size, and my second photo box I'm using to hold my foam squares. Next, I'm packing my photo trimmer, which is smaller than the 12-inch paper trimmer. This photo trimmer has slots on the back to hold my all-purpose scissors and micro-tip scissors, and the whole thing fits into the front pocket of the rolling cart. Two POD organizer inserts fit into the rolling cart. I have them labeled with the name of the album project, one for Hawaii and one for Alaska. So for Alaska, I've organized my photos and memorabilia into Power Project folders, one for each day of our trip. I also have a collection of coordinating stickers, paper, mats, and embellishments in a Power Project folder. You'll notice on our designer paper packs that there is a list of coordinating cardstock colors. This makes it very easy for me to know what cardstock colors to add to my project folder to go with that collection. I did the same thing in my Hawaii pod, used the project folders to hold the Coastal Christmas collection, and I also include a pack of refill pages, album cover, multi-pocket pages, and whatever other refills needed, as well as my coordinating cardstock. Here's my empty cart, which will fit 2 pod inserts. If you don't have the rolling cart, the pod inserts will fit into the large POD Tote. I still have room to slip in 2 13-inch cutting mats, and there's room at the top to set a small flex pod. Inside the small flex pod, I have my smaller tools such as the corner rounder, hole punch. I've got Post-it notes, a polishing cloth, and lifter stick, etc. And I have the Creative Memories pins bundle, which came with this Rainbow Dots fabric pin organizer. I filled it with my favorite journaling pins, plus a regular pen, pencil, a Sharpie. I don't need to bring all of my colored pens to a retreat if I'm just working on a specific color theme. So I just pulled the ones I needed. I hope this helps you pack for your scrapbooking retreat. Be sure and check out all the videos in our playlist from the CM Creative Crew on creative ways of traveling with your scrapbook supplies, packing for on the go. For more ideas and inspiration, visit a-dashofstory.com.